Hey there, this is Miss Poole. I'm the art teacher at Churchill Community High School, and this video is an invitation to Churchill students and to students who are going into Churchill in the fall to participate in the bead soup challenge. And in case you're wondering what bead soup is, it looks like this. Beads that are left over from different projects. We have so many of them in the school. So what we're going to do is, for kids who want to do this project, there's a YouTube channel. It has, obviously you're watching this video, so you're on the YouTube channel, and you'll see that there are different lessons for you to do. And you're going to do lessons based on the idea that you have zero experience, and if you want to participate in this and you need supplies, you need to get a hold of me, Miss Poole, and here are ways that you can do that. So I created a Facebook page. So when you look at it, you've got Facebook, Miss Poole, CCHS is my username, and the page is called Visual Arts, CCHS. And so you can get a hold of me that way. You can get a hold of me on Instagram. So on Instagram, I have a channel for beading, and it's called Bead Baby Bead, all lowercase, and you can get a hold of me there. Or you can get a hold of me at my school email, which is just my first name and my last name, at nlsd113.ca. And then we've got, I think that's it. And then the YouTube channel itself, in case you somehow are seeing this video without it, is called Beading 101 Miss Poole. So we're going to have lots of videos on there for you guys to do, and we shall see what you come up with. So if you want to do this, just let me know. I'll send you a package some way. And if you want to follow along at home and you're not a Churchill student, you totally can. You just got to go buy yourself all the materials and stuff. So I hope you join me. It's something to do while we're all at home, and I hope to see you in the fall.